Hello, good morning students. Today I will tell about the valency of ions. Before that also I have said to you about the valency. So valency of an ion is equal to the charge of the ion. Means what is the charge on it? That is the valency of ions. In this one it is having a monovalent, divalent, trivalent. Monovalent a single plus 1 is coming, divalent plus 2 is coming, and you can see the elements named that plus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 2 is there. So this is a divalent cation, and these are also divalent cation. Now trivalent cation, cation means a positive charge, and this is plus 3, so this is the positive charge. Does it tell to be as trivalent cation? Next is monovalent anion. Now monovalent anion, divalent anion, trivalent anion, these all having means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. These are the elements which will takes place in this one, and you can see a single minus sign is there. It shows this is the minus 1. Fine. Now next you can see that divalent anion. In a divalent anion you can see it is a 2 1. 2 are there, 2 minus. In a trivalent minus 3 are there. Fine. Now how we have to write? As before we are writing these things which I am telling to you, these things you have to write down in your copy, and mainly this is a homework also. And writing of formula, how we will write the formula when we have to find out the compound name. Okay, so let's start one thing. For an example, we have started that is work out the formula of magnesium chloride. Okay, so first of all we have to tell the symbol. It's Mg. Chloride means chlorine, that is Cl. We have to put the valency over here. Valency we will have to learn, or we will see from the back side, but the main thing is this, we have to learn it. Okay, so we have put it here valency, and the crisscross method is taking place. It forms Mg1Cl2 or MgCl2. This is the magnesium chloride. Second formula we are using here, that is a aluminium sulfate. In a aluminium sulfate, same thing we are using, that is the symbol first. Aluminium Al is coming and sulfate SO4 is coming. Fine. Now the valency we are putting aluminium, the valency is plus 3, and sulfate it is a minus 2, means it is coming in a minus 2 is coming in which one? It is coming in a divalent anion. This is coming in a trivalent cation because it's a plus sign. Fine. Now crisscross method, it forms as Al2SO4. SO4 is this one, and whole of this is thrice. Now the symbol of some ions are given below. Let's see. KAlBr oxygen. Using the information, write down the formula of. So first is aluminium bromide. Aluminium bromide means bromine. We take a symbol and then put a valency. It form AlBr3 because one we are not writing. Next is the valency of two elements A and B. A valency is given as plus 1 and B valency is giving as plus 2. Right? So the formula of sulfate A. A we have written, this we have done before also. Right? But they have said here sulfate of A. They have given the name 1. One thing they have tell that A have to find out, but sulfate they have given 1. So sulfate we are writing on this one side. So sulfate valency we know, but A valency they have given, that is the plus 1. So this one valency we will see from the back side. Crisscross method is used, it form a A2SO4. Now one more formula of nitrate of B, means B they have given plus 2 and nitrate valency we know. Same thing you have to see here. Nitrate valency is minus 1 and already given plus 2, it form BNO3 whole twice. Right? Next we are using the formula of the chloride of metal is MCl2. What is the formula of its sulfate? So here what we are using, MCl2. Okay, the formula of sulfate they want to ask. So M we have taken from here, and we know sulfate SO4 is there. So sulfate valency is minus 2. M we have to find out the metal M from the ionic compound MCl2. So how we have to find out the valency of M? Like this, as before we have done. We know that the valency of chlorine is 1. Chlorine valency is 1. One atom of M has 2 Cl. It having a 2 Cl here, Cl2 atom attached to it. So the valency of M is 2. here you can see m plus Cl2 we will do. So Cl, it having a 2 atoms, okay, two atoms are there, so that's why m is also a 2. As before we have done this also, this one sample problem also we have done at back side. So m plus 2 we got it, this we have taken from the book, and it form as MsO4. Okay, so this thing you can write down in your copy, and this is your homework. Fine. And you can do some questions in your copy. The questions which you will do in your copy, question number 21 you can do in copy, you can see here. And question number 21, 22, 23 you can do, and 24 you can do, and you can do the 19 and 17. Okay, 19, 17 and 18, these questions you can do in your copy. Fine. So thank you and have a nice day. Next time we will start the gram, atomic mass and the molecular mass. Thank you and have a nice day.